Girls and guys, it is a Monday and we have got Scott's X5 in. Due to the recent weather being actually quite nice, he went to use his aircon and then found out it didn't work. He then went to a place and got a nitrogen test where they checked for a leak and found the condenser's got 3 holes in it. Holy moly. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do a rad on an X5. And book time is just over an hour. Yeah, sure. Let's find out. Looking at it, it might be. We've got to get this out, and then the AC rad is just here. So it might not be too bad. Let's rip some plastics out, take all this out, and see where we get to. Well, didn't really know which way to go around this. So I removed all the Torx here, and then put them back. I've removed a load of 8s here, and I'm going to put them back. I've unplugged this. I've got to put that back. Why? A lot easier than I thought. All you need to do is undo 2 Torx here, 2 Torx here, remove a bit of foam that goes in there, then pull this back. I removed 13 there, 13 there to give us some little bit of wiggle room forward. Then once that's out, you can remove a big plastic trim there. Then you remove the 2 Allen keys and just slide the bloody condenser up. Very easy. Well, that come out, and it was as easy as it was, but you'll notice something's missing there because I'm holding it in my hand. One pipe come out very well. The other pipe, we had to rip it off the actual condenser and then absolutely terrorize to get it out. Did in the end, so we're going to change some seals and get ready to fit the new one. So the purple seals go in here, so we're going to replace them, and then we're going to fit the new condenser and loads of grease, and in it goes. Well, slid the new one in, very nice. 2 6mm are done up at the side, made sure they've gone in nicely. New seals are on. Now it's just a case of refitting this. I mean, this is going to be a very short video because it's a fairly easy job. In fact, I think I've wasted more time removing stuff that I didn't need to versus actually needing to. So, yeah, we're going to... Oh, one thing I need to say, we removed this aluminium bar that goes here. Forgot about that. Yeah, so I'm going to put these 8s back in and put some more stuff over the top, and we're pretty much done. All right, everything's back on. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, that's back in. The bar's back in, and the bonnet cable is connected back on. Now it's just the air intake pipe, and that's it. That's it. So now it's gonna go over to the aircon place to get vacuumed, tested, oiled, and everything else. So this one is done. And look, there's Scotty.